Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Google Docs. Now this is a Google Docs right here, and let's just go ahead and write something here like insert signature or sign here. Let's say something like that. And then let's say, for example, this is your name here. All right, now in order for us to add a signature, we can head over to the insert button and then drawing and then click new. All right, now that we are here, we can actually have a couple of options here. We can head over to the line here, click this one right here, and you should be able to have the option for scribble. Go ahead and click that over there, and then you can basically write here whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and write here something. So it's not the best one, but yeah, I tried, everybody. All right, there you go. Say for example, that is the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to go ahead and click the save and close here. And then you can go ahead and click this one and make this smaller, just like so. And additionally, you can go ahead and click this in front of text, just so you can go ahead and add this to your desired position. Again, it's not the best signature there is, but that is the one that I was able to get. And yep, that everybody is how you're going to add a signature here in Google Docs.